In Venezuela, there are many traditional dishes, and lucky for me, they're all delicious. A bit of sugar, some nice butter. And on Christmas Eve, my family always has pan de jamon, which is a soft bun loaded with olives, raisins, capers, and all sorts of goodies. Pan de jamon is everywhere in Venezuela during the holiday season. And I'm working on the dough now, and I tell you, it's gonna be delicious. Some eggs. Activated yeast is gonna make that dough rise. Pan de jamon was invented by the bakers in Venezuela because usually during the holiday season, they cooked hams and sell it to the public. And what they didn't sell, they would bake into their bread. And that's how pan de jamon was born, a traditional staple of Venezuelan holidays and Venezuelan cooking. So this dough is pretty much ready. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl, drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick, just like that. And I'm just gonna let it rise. Ha! Look at how much that's risen, at least double the size. And you know what? I'm almost ready. A little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. Oh yeah. I'm ready to build my pan de jamon. It's similar to a cinnamon roll in the sense that you lay everything flat and then roll it in. And of course, I'm gonna start with jamon. Now I'm gonna add some bacon. And then the rest of the goodies. Some capers, some olives. You gotta have olives. And now raisins. These are all Christmas flavors. We put that stuff over the holidays. It's everywhere in all of the dishes. So good. That's the Spanish influence right there. I'm ready to roll this pan de jamon. And I have a trick. You wanna keep the seams underneath so the pan de jamon doesn't open when it's baking. And I have another trick. I put some water in this pan, so when it steams, it's gonna keep my bread nice and moist. Oh, this smells so good. It's almost done. For the glaze, I've added a little bit of brown sugar and egg to make it nice and shiny. Oh, very tasty. At home, we would use a little bit of papelón, but brown sugar works just as well. Just a little bit more time in the oven to finish it off. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to bite into this. Check this out. Wow, see all those layers? The sweet, the saltiness, the olives. raisins have puffed inside. They're really nice and moist. Remember about the water? That's what it did to the bread. Everything inside is really nice and moist. Oh man, look at that. See the olives? See the steam? Ah. This is the best bread you'll ever have. And I tell you, Christmas special. Your guests are gonna love it.